Hi, this is Asin. Today I would like to share how to compute the probability and the cumulative distributions of a uniform distribution by using the SPSS. So as we all know, for any uniform distribution, it should have the probability density function of 1 over b minus a, where a is the minimum value and the b is the maximum value of that particular distribution. Okay, so for this one, so we can try to use SPS. Okay, so first go to variable view. Okay, we can give a name, for example, like x as the random variable. So the decimal, we can give only one decimal. Okay, now for the random variable, maybe like we take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then just have a try. Okay, so we go to transform, look for compute variable. Okay, so the target variable, maybe this is the probability distribution. So we write probability distribution. Okay, make sure no space in between. Okay, probability distribution. Then what we need here is go to the function group. We first try for the probability density function. Okay, select, then we need uniform. So look for uniform, then select. Okay, so for the first one is the quadrant. Okay, so we have x here, we just click, then we move. So the question mark is already replaced by x. Then what is the minimum and the maximum? So if let's say a is 2, so we just put 2. Then let's say the maximum is 10. So we check and see what happened. So we click on OK. So already computed. So we just check, as we can see here. Okay, maybe we have to change to 4 decimal places first. Okay, maybe 6 decimal places. Okay, so as we can see, because the minimum value is 2, so it means that before 2, the probability is equal to 0. And then it should have the same value for all the values, so 0.12. Okay, how if let's say we extend, so maybe we take from 0 until 11. Okay, then we increase 0.5 by each. So to make it easier, we key into Excel, then we can just copy paste. So we can simplify our work. So until 11, so I will copy the whole block here, then I paste it here. Okay, after that, again go to transform, compute. So now remain the same, still x and then 2 and 10. So okay, what happened? So we just have to replace. Okay, so as we can see here, so the one that before 2 all 0, the one that after 10 all 0. So everything in between should be exactly the same. So this is the probability distribution of uniform distribution. How about the cumulative distribution? So again, go to transform, compute. Okay, this time I will change to cumulative distribution. So for this one, instead of using PDF, the probability density function, we now should change to cumulative density function. Okay, cumulative distribution function. So we want uniform as well. Double click. Okay, this one should be the x. Put in, then minimum will be 2, then maximum will be 10. Okay, then click on OK. So as we can see, the number getting more and more. Once we reach 10, we should have 1, means that we already reached the maximum. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.